Hi guys, in this video we are going to create this trending edit.
Hi, I'm the Super
So without wasting time, let's start the video. First open Viggle AI, then search Invincible Dance. After that, click on first video, then click on remix, add your PNG of characters, then click on remix. After that, wait, then download the video. Now click on share, then download it. For second remix again, open Viggle AI, then search WWE, then add your characters, then download it. Now, open Capcut, then match the video according to beat. After that, type your text, then follow my steps. After adjusting your text, duplicate it 2 times. After applying zoom in, then go to effects, then search wide angle, then follow my steps. After that, adjust the length of your text, then duplicate it once, then apply it on second clip. After applying zoom in, go to effect and search wide angle, then do just like first clips. For cutout transition, add your image of character. Now remove the background of image, then follow my steps. After that, apply zoom in, then do same with other clips. After that, go to Effects, then search dot silk screen. After that, duplicate it 3 times, then do same with other clips. After that, again, go to Effects, then add Shake Effect, then follow my steps. Do same with other clips. After that, go to Effects, then add oblique blur, then follow my steps. After that, add unfold animation at 0.2 seconds and do same with other clips. Now the shake effect is ready, so go to Adjust and follow my steps. After that, add and filter Ice City. Now the adjusting is done, so go to Effects and add Edge Glow and Black Flash 2 effect. Now the video is ready, so export it.